this video, I'll show you guys how to add unlimited followers into your social media accounts. This method is going to work for any social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and anything you want. This also works for Discord. You can add members into your Discord server and do a lot of things. So we're gonna use a service called smmpanel.net. So just go to Google and search for smmpanel.net, or you can find the link on the description below. So here you have to create a new account for this service. So just click on sign up and create your new account. But I already have an account, so I'll just go to sign in and log in my account. So after logging in, this is the page you'll see. And the first thing first you have to do is to go to add funds. So click on add funds here, and you have to add some money to this account for this to work. This website is 100% legit. I have used it myself, and I'll also show you some examples that I have using this. You can add money on your account by choosing one of the methods below. You have Perfect Money, or Payeer, or Coinbase Commerce to add cryptos. I usually use Payeer because it's more popular and faster. So after adding your money, you can see that the balance here, as you can see, I have $4.5 right now. To add followers into your account and to see the services, just go to the services page, and this will list all the services they have. Or also you can go to add new order, and here on the first category here, you'll see the social medias you can pick from. We have for any social medias you want. You can see that we have TikTok followers, TikTok likes, comments, views, any other services for Facebook, for Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Spotify too, LinkedIn, SoundCloud, Discord, and you have for Quora, Telegram, and we also have Android app installs or iOS app ranking and reviews. So if you want to add some reviews into your app on the App Store, you can use the services to rank up your app and you get more downloads. This website also have SEO package. So this service is for you to help your website to get more popular, and they will send you traffic to help you get ranked on the Google and get more traffic into your website too. So in this way you can earn some money from monetization of your website. But for now, I will show you, for example, Instagram. So if you want to add Instagram followers, you can choose the first option here, Instagram followers. And if you see this refill, this means that if the followers drop after adding them, this is going to refill again and keep your number as you had before. So if you choose this service, and in the service tab here, if you click on that, you'll see that we have different services for Instagram followers, and you can choose between the prices or the one that you think is better. As you can see here, we have this one is very cheap, $0.37 per 1,000 followers. So if you choose this one, then this is the description. You have to make sure read the description well, because you may do any mistake while doing the order. So this is the link format you should put, and you can put the link of the account you want to add followers into the link section here, and then you can choose the quantity you want to add. For example, I want to add 2,000 followers, and this is going to show you the charge. For 2,000 followers, it is going to charge you $0.74, and then you can submit, and this is going to send you the followers into your account. And to see your orders, you can go to orders, click on orders, and you can see the order here, and you can see what is happening to it, is how much followers are left, and views or anything you want. So for example, here as you can see, I have some orders. I ordered some followers for a TikTok account, and now it's completed. This is the order for followers, and I paid $1.78 for 200 real followers into my account. So this is going to add real followers onto my TikTok account, and I started with this count, and then it's completed and all my followers are sent. And if I click on the link here, you can see my TikTok account has followers on here. So I added these followers using this service. So this service is 100% legit. As you can see, I have more orders, and I've been using this for too long, and this is how this works. And also the support is very, very quick. You can they support you for anything, and they reply fast. If your followers haven't arrived, they will charge you back. They will send you money back, and you can't lose anything. Okay guys, this was a very quick video on showing you how to add followers, views, comments, shares and anything you want into your social media accounts. Hopefully you'll like this video. I'll see you in next videos. Peace.